Learn Gujarati for schedules, registration to.
Yad.
Welcome to your Gujarati mission. Hey, you are about to survive the wild jungle of forms, calendars, emails, and polite panic in Gujarati. Don't worry, we will laugh, learn, and make these words stick. Today you will learn 8 useful Gujarati words. First comes registration.
Nondani.
Then confirmation.
Pushti.
Then cancellation.
Radbatal.
We also have shift.
Khasedan.
Agreement.
Karar.
First.
Pratham.
Appointment.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
In memory.
Yad.
Yes, this chapter has everything except a free snack. First, the Great Desk of Doom. Let's begin with the word for registration, because every official building on earth seems to love lines. You can do this. The English word is registration. In Gujarati, say.
નોંધણી.
Imagine a bright desk with a giant sign.
નોંધણી.
Say it with me.
નોંધણી.
One more time.
નોંધણી.
Useful sentence.
પ્રવેશ પહેલા નોંધણી જરૂરી છે.
That means, registration is required before entry. Funny picture. Even a chicken tries to attend a conference, but the guard says, no feathers past this point without.
નોંધણી.
Single quote. The blessed email arrives. Now let's enjoy one of the happiest sounds in modern life. The message that says yes, it's official. That word is confirmation. Confirmation in Gujarati is.
પુષ્ટિ.
Say it slowly.
પુષ્ટિ.
Again.
પુષ્ટિ.
Useful sentence.
અમે ઓફિસમાંથી પુષ્ટિની રાહ જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ.
We are waiting for confirmation from the office. Imagine a huge green stamp falling from the sky and shouting.
પુષ્ટિ.
Dramatic? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. Bad news with excellent vocabulary. Language learning is honest, so we also need the sad word. It is useful, powerful, and mildly annoying. Cancellation in Gujarati is.
રદબાતલ.
Repeat it.
રદબાતલ.
Again.
રદબાતલ.
Useful sentence.
આજે સવારે અમને ઈમેલ દ્વારા રદબાતલ મળી.
We received a cancellation by email this morning. Picture yourself dressed perfectly for an event, hair magnificent, confidence shining, and then a sign says.
રદબાતલ.
Vocabulary learned. Pride reduced. When everything moves. Next is a sneaky little word for when something shifts. Furniture, schedules, plans, your sanity, all included. Shift in Gujarati is.
ખસેડાણ.
Say it.
ખસેડાણ.
Once more.
ખસેડાણ.
Useful sentence.
સમયપત્રકમાં ખસેડાણે બધાને આશ્ચર્યચકિત કર્યા.
The shift in the schedule surprised everyone. Imagine a lazy cat glaring at its pillow because the pillow made a mysterious.
ખસેડાણ.
Across the floor. Let us make a deal. Now we move to a useful formal word. It sounds serious because it is serious, but we can still learn it with style. Agreement in Gujarati is.
કરાર.
Say it with confidence.
કરાર.
Again.
કરાર.
Useful sentence.
અમે ગઈકાલે કરાર પર સહી કરી.
We signed the agreement yesterday. Funny image. A cat and a dog sign a.
કરાર.
That clearly states, sofa for cat. Rug for dog. No chewing the legal document. Who is first? This short word is very useful in lists, races, and instructions. Also in arguments with siblings. First in Gujarati is.
પ્રથમ.
Say it.
પ્રથમ.
Again.
પ્રથમ.
Useful sentence.
પ્રથમ, હું દરવાજો ખોલું છું.
First, I open the door. Imagine a snail winning a race and proudly wearing a shiny badge that says.
પ્રથમ.
If the snail can win, you can learn Gujarati. Your important time slot. Now for a very practical phrase you will need in real life. Doctors, offices, interviews, calendars, all love this one. Appointment in Gujarati is.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
Repeat it in parts.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
Again.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
Useful sentence.
મારી કાલે ડોક્ટર સાથે મુલાકાતનો સમય છે.
I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Imagine a cat wearing glasses and checking a tiny wristwatch because it absolutely must not miss it.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
The word that helps you remember. Last but not least, we learn a word that is secretly helping with all the other words. Yes, memory itself. Memory in Gujarati is
યાદ.
Say it softly.
યાદ.
Again.
યાદ.
Useful sentence.
એ ગીત એક યાદ પાછી લાવે છે.
That song brings back a memory. Picture a scrapbook opening by itself while a gentle voice whispers.
યાદ.
Very poetic, slightly spooky, extremely effective. Mini story at the office. Now you will hear the words together in one funny scene. Listen for all 8 Gujarati terms. You arrive at an office very early because you want to be.
પ્રથમ.
At the door, a smiling clerk points to.
નોંધણી.
You complete the form and wait for.
પુષ્ટિ.
Then an email appears. You panic. Is it?
રદબાતલ.
No, thankfully not. It says there is only a small.
ખસેડાણ.
In the schedule. Good news. Your.
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
Is 1 hour later. During the wait, 2 managers sign a.
કરાર.
You watch all this and think, wow, this will become a strong.
યાદ.
Single quote. Also, you buy tea, because every story improves with tea. Quick recall challenge. Let's see what's stuck in your brain. Answer out loud before I give you the solution. What is registration in Gujarati?
નોંધણી.
What is confirmation?
પુષ્ટિ.
What is cancellation?
રદબાતલ.
What is shift?
ખસેડાણ.
What is agreement?
કરાર.
What is first?
પ્રથમ.
What is appointment?
મુલાકાતનો સમય.
What is memory?
યાદ.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You just learned a very practical set of Gujarati words for everyday schedules and official life. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
નોંધણી. પુષ્ટિ. રદબાતલ. ખસેડાણ. કરાર. પ્રથમ. મુલાકાતનો સમય.
And.
યાદ.
Repeat them tomorrow, use them in your own sentences, and let your.
યાદ.
Do the rest.